Hi guys, today let's see about IoT hacking. Okay, so first, what is an IoT? So IoT is an internet lot of things. So whatever the wireless devices, each and everything is connected to some internet, right? So it's some IoT require internet, some IoT doesn't even require internet. So for example, if I want to break it down, like ACs, it's non-IoT. It's IoT device, but it's not requiring internet to control it, right? So it's just controlling by some RFIs from remote signals. So if I want to go with some other like projectors and then some laptop screens, cameras, so this kind of things also it comes under IoT. Okay, where it has some functionalities of binary codes to run its actions, right? So if I want to turn on my Urzi, what I have to do? So I just if I press a button, it will be automatically using that, right? So for that, it's easy to everything is runs on some programming languages. So everything have some different functionalities, but everything is just same what you are injecting over there, right? Or if it's the same thing as what we can able to do, we have some device called Digispark. I guess you people know Rubber Ducky, right? So Rubber Ducky is a kind of device which helps to inject some payloads or anything into the network. So here is a exactly same model of this rubber ducky, which is a very cheaper one of Digispark anti-85, okay, which helps to upload some scripts. Okay, you can access this by Arduino. So this is Arduino. So I've been created some payload. So this is what this does. It's actually pull the from CMDs. Okay, it will be happening within 5 seconds. Okay, it will be running very faster than human typing. So what is happening here is it's pulling a script. Okay, so it's displaying the Wi-Fi passwords and username, and it's extracting and it's creating an Excel file, and it will sending to this link. Okay, so you can able to change this. Okay, according to your preference where you want this request to pull it from your backend. Okay, you can able to change this. So for this I have one model in my hand. Okay, so let me host this and show you how it works. So it will be not identified by any firewalls, ISPs, none of the network blockers. It's work like a very super. So see, it's just identify as a mouse in our systems. It's not only for systems, it can be for servers or any network routers, anything. So it's running in a background. So it's grab my all passwords. It's a pulling request and sending. So it will clear the logs. That's it. So within a minute, it has been completed this entire process under 30 seconds. Right? It's a very easy thing that where we can able to get some reverse shells. Right? So attacker will be using this most probably this kind of tools to gain the access in a simple way. Okay. So I hope this video helped you for you. Thank you guys.